If you're using Encharge for your email marketing automation, you're in for a surprise today. Stick around for a hidden gem inside Encharge email editor. Hi, my name is Anil Agrawal from marketingautomationfocus.com, and I will show you a hidden gem inside Encharge email editor. So if you go into your Encharge email dashboard or emails section, and either you create a new email or you click on your existing email. And I just have a sample email here. So if you wanted to insert an image, if you already have one, that's great. And you could just click and drag on image block and you can insert it. But wait for it. So look on the right side. You have content section, which is this one that shows up by default. And then you have blocks, which gives you options for columns and rows. And then you have body here that you can change the body of your email. And then you have, watch for it, images. And this is what we're talking about. Search for millions of images inside your Encharge email editor. So if you were looking for images to use in your emails, Encharge already gives you millions of images that you can search from. And it's powered by Unsplash, Pexels, Pixabay, and whatever the sources they got. Tons of emails. And you can, let's just search for mother here. And I guess you have to click enter and click on an image, drag and drop. Voila. Isn't that cool? And you click on the image itself and now you have pretty much the same type of options. You can align different ways. You can put in your alternate text for your image for SEO. And then you can have action or call to action. You can have a URL you can assign to that action, and pretty much the same settings. So here you go. And this is a great hidden gem that you might not have known about in Encharge email editor. Bye for now.